Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving headfirst into the apocalypse again with everything we know so far about the Umbrella Academy Season 4. Alright, buckle up because we have got a lot to unpack. First things first, when can we expect this chaotic family reunion? Mark your calendars because Season 4 hits Netflix on 8th August 2024. That's right, folks. Get ready to binge watch the entire season in one glorious weekend. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can we snag a sneak peek at the script? While I can't exactly share confidential studio documents, sorry, gotta protect those spoilers, the official synopsis gives us some juicy clues. This season, the Hargreaves siblings will face the consequences of creating yet another alternate timeline, one where their powers are mysteriously gone. Can you imagine? Five without his time jumps. Klaus without his ability to commune with the dead. Talk about a dysfunctional family therapy session. Speaking of dysfunctional families, who's returning for this final season? The core cast is back, with Elliot Page returning as Victor, Tom Hopper as Luther, David Castaneda as Diego, Amy Rava-Lampman as Allison, Robert Sheehan as Klaus, Justin H. Min as Ben, and Ritu Arya as the ever-sardonic Leela. We will also see some exciting new faces, with Nick Offerman, Megan Mullally, and David Cross joining the cast. Their roles are still under wraps, but with these comedic powerhouses on board, you know there is bound to be some hilarious moments, even amidst the apocalypse. Speaking of reveals, have you seen the character posters for Season 4? They are fantastic. Victor looks determined, Luther has a brooding intensity, and Diego, well, Diego looks like he's ready to throw a knife at something. But the real showstopper is 5. That aged-up look. Let's just say, time travel can be a real drag, literally. And if you needed any more convincing that things are about to get crazy, check out the official teaser art. The Hargreaves siblings stand united against a swirling vortex, with a mysterious figure looming in the background. Is it a new enemy? Another messed up timeline? Only one way to find out. But wait, there is more. This season is shaping up to be the most emotional one yet. The synopsis hints at a new enemy who wants to erase the Hargreaves from existence. With no powers and facing this existential threat, the siblings will have to rely on each other more than ever before. Will they finally learn to work together as a team? Will they find a way to regain their powers? And most importantly, will they manage to save the world again? These are the questions that will keep us on the edge of our seats all season long. Let's face it, the Umbrella Academy is more than just an action-packed superhero show. It's about family, about confronting your past, and about finding your place in a world that seems determined to tear you apart. We have seen these characters grow and change over the past 3 seasons, and Season 4 promises to be their ultimate test. This season feels different. There's a sense of finality, a weight to the story that wasn't there before. Are we ready to say goodbye to the Hargreaves? Honestly, I don't know. But one thing's for sure, I wouldn't miss it for the world. Alright guys, that's all we know about the Umbrella Academy Season 4 so far. If you're excited, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow Umbrella Academy fans, and let's get ready for the apocalypse again on 8th August. See you next time.